Safety signage is set up and tenants are made aware of the works in progress. Contractors don their fall arrest harnesses. Ladders are installed correctly for maximum safety. The product arrives at the specified time in a controlled exclusion area. The sheets are checked for quality control. They are then marked out for distribution on the roof. They're transported to the designated lift area and then hoisted up to the roof. As you can see, these sheets are well past their expiry date. Polypropylene coveralls are used to protect the contractor from any glass fibres. The new sheets are laid out in their designated areas. The safety harness is reinstalled over the coverall. Respiratory protection is worn when removing the old roof sheets. Old screw holes are wire brushed clean. All debris is removed and cleaned to prepare the surface for the new skylights. This clean surface will ensure longevity of the product. Also, all of the mating surfaces of the roof sheets are clean for longevity of the product. This is a procedure that should not be skipped if the job is done correctly. The correct material thickness is essential. Protective fiberglass strip is used to sit underneath the skylight sheet but on top of the wire mesh to prevent any scratching, chafing or cracking. Here you can see the wire mesh where the strip's going to be installed, and it also has an adhesive tape on it to hold it down in place for the skylight sheeting installation. The new sheets are placed in position, ready for installation. The cleaned surfaces and old screw holes are sealed with silicone sealant. This sheet is ready for fixing and the finished product. All old screw holes are sealed off with silicone. An adhesive foam seal is used to seal the joints on the laps to stop water ingress or moisture getting in underneath the sheet. Two strips are used as a preventative measure. The old and incorrect screws are removed, and you can see from the pictures here that they're using the wrong washer, and the screws don't actually have wings on them, so they won't create a hole in the skylight like a pilot hole to prevent rubbing and chafing and noise. You can see there that it's just a single screw hole and incorrect roof screw used, so when you screw it down you're going to notice it doesn't create a pilot hole, and also the water that can flow down can fill up and run in underneath that washer, and when it runs up underneath that washer it's going to run through the hole and drip down into the working area, which is what you don't want. Correct fixing screws with wings and washers are shown here. These correct fixings will create a perfect seal. Here the correct screwing sequence is used to ensure longevity of the product, starting from the outside, then the center, and then the two inner sides. Using the correct safety, craftsmanship, and product installation procedures as well as the materials will ensure your product outlasts well beyond the manufacturer's warranty.